In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Notion template. Duplicating a template in Notion is a quick way to bring a ready-made setup into your own workspace so you don't have to build from scratch. Whether it's a project tracker, a personal planner, or a team wiki, the process is the same and only takes a moment once you know where to look. Start by opening the template link. This could be a link you found on Notion's template gallery, a community website, or a link someone shared with you. You can open it in your browser or the Notion desktop app. Either one works. You'll see the full preview of the template, including its pages and any example content. For duplication to work, you'll need to be signed in to your Notion account, since the copy has to live in one of your workspaces. Next, look to the top right corner of the template page and click the duplicate button. That button is your signal that the page is shareable and can be copied. On smaller screens or certain layouts, it may appear behind a drop-down menu, but it will still be in that upper right area of the page. When you click Duplicate, Notion starts preparing a full copy of that page and all of its nested subpages, databases, and properties. This doesn't change the original template. You are simply creating your own independent version. After clicking Duplicate, select your workspace. If you have more than one workspace tied to your account, Notion will ask where to place the copy. Choose the one where you plan to use the template. If you only have a single workspace, Notion will add it there automatically. In a moment, your sidebar will update with the new page, usually appearing in the private or default section of the workspace you selected. That's it. You now have your own editable version of the template. Because it's a true copy, you can change anything without affecting the original source. Rename the page, adjust database properties, and replace any example text with your actual content. If you don't immediately see the new page, give it a second to sync or refresh the app. Large templates can take a moment to appear. If the duplicate button isn't visible, the template may have restricted permissions, so make sure you're viewing a publicly shareable version. With those simple actions, open the template link, click Duplicate, and select your workspace. You're ready to make the template your own and start working more efficiently right away.